Here we have a Tiana Weasley preparing for the breakfast. She has to admire the dexterity of each skillet before she makes her early morning breakfast. Oh, here we go. We have the one we want. She's filling it up. It looks like it's breakfast time. She ignited the fire for the cooking, and it looks like breakfast is served. After breakfast, Tiana likes to come in and turn on the light and pet the kitty. This is a natural habitat for the young lass. She likes to cuddle with it, tell it how much she loves it, whisper secrets into it, and then prepare to get ready for school. Here we have Tiana taking a shit in the stove. This is where the local Tianas take their shits while the sirens go off in the background. Now she is running off after she took her shit. Now she's peeking around seeing if it's safe. Girl is prancing down. Oh, such a beautiful creature. She hears something. What? What is it that she hears? I think we frightened it. It's running. It's running. This is the battle face of the creature. It looks like it's ready to go to war. The battle pose. It's preparing to strike. This is the mating dance. Oh no, we have to go after it. It jumped the barricades. This is how all the local Tianas do their yard work in the morning. 'Cause the Tiana is different. They mow the snow instead of the grass. Oh no, she's getting away, she's getting away! You have to be careful when chasing Tianas, because when it's icy out.
Alright, Mallory, so you asked what house I'm in if I'm not a Hufflepuff anymore. I'm a Ravenclaw now. My friend Audrey just sent me some Ravenclaw stickers. They're like here. And I'm gonna take to college because, girl, you know they ain't gonna fit or show up on my wall. So,
girl, experience it.
What should we challenge her to do?
Mallory, your challenge is to go out in your cornfield, and while you out in your cornfield, you have to yodel. What? You have to yodel as if you were summoning Norbert the dragon from Austria. Because he's in Austria. I don't care if he's in Romania. He's in Austria. And you have to... First, yeah, he's in that vacay to Austria. So, and then you should get a friend or a sister or a brother.
Or yourself.
Or yourself. And you have to act out being a dragon. And then you both have to do a mating dance.
So have fun.
Yeah.
Girl, we love you. We is gonna go enjoy some food now. Aight, later.